Many people struggle to make money from YouTube Shorts because of something called view jail. There are three main types: the 0 view jail, the 10K view jail, and the 15K view jail. Almost every creator faces these at some point, and sadly, many quit because of them. I know exactly how that feels. I was one of the biggest victims of this problem. But unlike most people, I didn't give up. I failed over and over. I listened to every YouTube guru, tried buying old channels, followed posting schedules, and even used every trick people suggested. But nothing worked. I got frustrated and started thinking maybe I was just unlucky. I even cried, wondering why my videos weren't working while others were going viral and making money posting random stuff. Then, out of frustration, I decided to experiment. I stopped worrying about making money and focused on figuring out what was really happening. I gave it my all for 9 months, posting, testing, learning, until I finally broke through all the view jails. My videos started getting millions of views, and I began earning money. Now, you don't need to spend 9 months like I did. In this video, I'll explain exactly why these view jails happen and how I escaped them, step by step. All you have to do is watch until the end. I promise it will help you. And before we start, please tap the like button and subscribe, because this channel is made to help creators like you grow. Let's begin with the 0 view jail, when you upload a short and it gets literally 0 views. Not even one. Before we fix it, let's understand why it happens. Because giving you a fix without explaining the cause is like giving you medicine without saying what you're sick with. There are three main reasons for 0 view jail. First, YouTube thinks you're a bot. This is the most common reason. You post your first short, and a few hours later, nothing. YouTube blocks it because it suspects you're not a real person. YouTube is a billion-dollar company that wants real human creators, not bots or AI channels. Even if your account is old, maybe from 2006, YouTube won't automatically trust it. I bought many old accounts myself, but it didn't help. The real solution is to warm up your account. Act like a human. Watch videos, like and comment, subscribe to other creators, and share videos. Do this for 4 to 7 days, no more than 14, and your account will start getting normal views again. Second, you change your niche too quickly. Maybe your videos were doing great, 10K or 20K views, and then suddenly you started posting about something completely different. YouTube already knows what kind of audience likes your old videos, so when you post something unrelated, the algorithm gets confused. But don't worry, I'll explain later how to change your niche the right way. Third, you're reposting overused viral videos. If you're uploading the same popular clips that thousands of others already have, YouTube may limit your reach. The solution is to transform the content. Add your own voiceover, captions, emojis, or even icons, especially in the first 3 seconds, to make it stand out. Do these 3 things right, and you'll escape 0 view jail. Next comes the 10K view jail. If you've reached this stage, congratulations. YouTube now sees you as a real human creator. But if your videos stop around 10,000 views, the problem isn't YouTube anymore. It's your packaging. What I mean by packaging, it's how your short looks, sounds, and feels to the viewer. You can repost videos or make original ones, but if your packaging is weak, your video won't go viral. To go viral, you need only 3 key things: a hook, retention, and payoff. The hook is what grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. Remember, viewers don't see your title or thumbnail on shorts. Those first few seconds decide whether someone keeps watching or swipes away. There are 2 types of hooks: a visual hook and a word hook. A visual hook could be something weird, surprising, or attention-grabbing, like arrows, red circles, or unusual scenes. A word hook could be a shocking statement or question you say right away. Use either or both. Just make sure your start is strong. The retention is how long people stay watching. Retention is what keeps viewers hooked till the end. Good storytelling helps a lot here. Keep a smooth flow, create curiosity, and make sure something interesting happens in the middle. You can also use creative editing, depending on your niche. The payoff is what happens at the end, the reason people watched in the first place. Maybe you asked a question in the beginning, and the answer comes at the end. That's your payoff. If people stay to see that final moment, the algorithm rewards your video because it means viewers watch the whole thing. If you master these three, hook, retention, and payoff, you'll break through the 10K view jail. Finally, we have the 15K view jail. By this stage, you're already doing something right. YouTube trusts you and gives your videos a chance. But if you're stuck and not going viral yet, it's probably because you don't have a proper strategy. Maybe you're not researching trends, not studying your competitors, or not analyzing what works best in your niche. The good news is, you don't need a complete restart. Just a small fix can make a big difference. Look at your idea, your hook, your retention, and your payoff. Tweak just one of them. Sometimes a single change is all it takes to go from 15K views to millions. If you made it this far, I'm sure you found this video helpful. The best way to support this channel is by hitting that like button and subscribing. And if you have any questions or think I missed something, drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and let's grow together.